welcome to Vircham TV. This is Ishana from grade 8 presenting the news for the day. Today's headlines. Chief Minister Edappadi Palanichami will go to Tiruchi on 26th of this month to study on the activities of civics pollution in the Delta district. Tamil Nadu will get 8.4 TMC of water from Krishna and Kaveri river. Kaveri water from Mettur dam reached Talkad and Dharmaprabhu. Kaveri water from Mettur dam reached Talkad in Dharmapuri. People welcomed it happily by sprinkling Navastanya. In the last 3 days, police have filed a case against 7,524 persons, making a fine of 500 rupees for those who did not wear face mask. In Tiruvallur district, Kumudipodi, a real estate owner who had gathered around 500 people on birthday party, out of which 15 people result on corona was positive. This incident was created a scary situation for other people. Electricity Minister said that wind power generation in Tamil Nadu is now about 4,000 megawatt per day. The Tamil Nadu government has announced that the 7 days full curfew will be maintained at Madurai district and the above places to prevent the spread of corona. In Madurai High Court, there was an argument on legalizing the usage of Siddha medicine of treating coronavirus. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister to meet the district collector tomorrow. Unhappy with IMD Kerala switches to private weather forecasters. For the first time, the state government will be funding private weather companies for providing alerts and warning about extreme climate events. CBSE is likely to inform the Supreme Court today about its decision on conducting the pending classes 10th to 12th board exams, which were postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic, officials say. Scientists in India for the first time detected COVID-19 gene in wastewater, a breakthrough in tracking virus outbreak. India's assertions to retreat Chinese force from Ladakh border. 2 militants were killed on CRPF personnel was critically wounded in an encounter in South Kashmir, Pulwama district. The railways said that the 1,000 numbers of railways coaches turned into a corona special ward in 5 states. 20 passengers in Dehradun bound train were quarantined after a man on board gets message of his test positive in COVID-19. To control the spread of coronavirus, Saudi Arabia will hold aid for very limited numbers of citizens and residents of all nationalities living inside the country for this year. 3 of the Pakistan cricket team players have confirmed corona. Corona updates. 1.83 lakh COVID-19 cases in 24 hours. World's biggest one-day jump, says WHO. Tamil Nadu recorded a new high with 2,710 new cases of COVID-19. This took the state's tally to 60,000. A cyclonic circulation expected to develop over the Bay of Bengal is likely to bring rains over North Tamil Nadu, including Chennai, around June 25th and June 26th. With me, Ishana of grade 8, signing off with the note of keep watching Vircham TV, stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.